You have been told that we have two different types of what you have as flour, and you have been told there's maize flour and there is the millet flour. And we are told that 1 kilogram of maize flour costs 40 shillings, and 1 kilogram of millet flour will cost 52 shillings. And of course, the currency is in Kenyan shillings. And you're told that what will be the ratio in which the two can get mixed so that you can be able to have a mixture that can sell at 46 Kenyan shillings per kilogram. So I just come here and say, first we have maize flour, we have millet flour. And I'm told 1 kilogram of each of these will cost this Kenyan shillings. This goes at 40 Kenyan shillings, and this will go at 52 Kenyan shillings. There's a ratio in which the two can be able to get mixed. So you can say let the ratio in which the two can get mixed be x to y, such a way that when these two are actually able to get sold on getting mixed, each kilogram can be able to cost 46 Kenyan shillings. What are we supposed to do? We'll come here and say each kg of maize flour costs 40 Kenyan shillings, and we have x kilograms because we have actually assumed that we have actually taken x of maize flour and y of millet flour, and we are supposed to mix the two for us to get a mixture that can actually sell at 46 Kenyan shillings per kilogram. So I've assumed that let the kilograms of maize flour be x and the kilograms of millet flour to be y. So the ratio in which the two are mixed is x to y. So I'll take the 40 Kenyan shillings per kilogram at which maize flour can actually sell. I multiply by the number of kgs for x, that is the number of kgs for maize flour, and we say plus the cost of 1 kilogram of millet flour, which is 52, multiplied by number of kgs, which is y, and all this is well divided by x plus y. The answer must be 46. So if I say 40 times x, that is the much I can have in terms of obtaining these x kilograms of maize flour, plus 52 times y, the much I can actually be able to end up spending to obtain y kilograms of millet flour. This total amount of money divided by the number of kgs, I'll be able to get the cost of 1 kilogram of that mixture. When the two are added together, I'll get the cost in total of what I need to actually spend in obtaining x kgs of maize flour and y kgs of millet flour. I'll divide that by x plus y, the total number of kgs for both maize flour and wheat flour, or maize flour and millet flour, when put together. If I divide the total cost by the number of kgs, I'm going to get the cost per 1 kg. So we'll proceed and multiply both sides by x plus y. Let me hope you can be able to see this very well. Very good. So I'll say x plus y on this end, and again here, x plus y. So that this and this will disappear. So 40 times x, that gives us 40x, then plus 52 times y, that is 52y. This must be equal to 46 into x plus y, because we've actually multiplied x plus y on both ends, and this must actually disappear. We're left with 46 and then into x plus y. So we'll remain with 40x plus 52y, and this must be equal to 46x plus 46y. What next? I'll take 40x on this other side. I'll actually bring 46y on this other side. So on taking 40x on this other side of the equal sign, I'll be left with 52y minus 46y. That must be equal to 46x on this end minus 40x. Correct. So I'll be left with the 6y on this side, and this must be equal to 6x. So this and this will disappear. So this goes here 1, will be left to 1y. That must be equal to 1x. So we always say that when you have actually arrived here or reached here, the value of y is 1 and the value of x is 1. So you interchange those values. Okay, so that means the ratio of x to y, as you can see, is 1 to 1. So they'll need 1 kg of maize flour and 1 kg of millet flour for us to have a selling price of 46 per kilogram.